Speaking of family, how are your children handling everything?
Well, my 3-year-old, he's the boss of the house, so he he doesn't really I don't really think he's ever been affected by it because I mean he was really little when everything was ending, so hopefully I escaped that. But my 11-year-old, there's still a lot of work to do, but I mean it's getting there. We have some other issues, obstacles to deal with that's not on any way, shape, or form me and him level, and understand he's very aware of what mommy did. He's very aware. I mean, he's more aware of certain things than he should be at his age, but that's okay. I'm not going to lie to him. I don't lie to him, and we're working through that. I mean, it's good. It's great. I'm tickled pink to be able to actually get him some really amazing actual birthday gifts and Christmas gifts. And, because I can, not spending my money on drugs, I can get him something that he deserves or that he loves. But emotionally, I mean, I did damage, but I would have done more damage had I dragged him through it by my side.
Yeah.
And I mean, even though he did some people probably won't get it and some people probably will, because I can see both sides where some people would probably think, oh, she did that so that way she could have her freedom. And then I could see where some people would be like, no, she obviously saw that she was headed down and did not know what was going to happen, or, knew that she needed help and was open. And to be honest with you, at that point in time, I only thought about him. That was all I cared about. Was I can't let anything happen to him, and I cannot take care of him. I'm not going to be able to give him what he needs until I get sober. I've got to, and I was on a mission. One of the many times I was on a mission to get sober. So yeah, it once he got a little bit older and he started understanding, like, and he still doesn't fully understand, but once he started finding out a little bit more about the addiction and everything, and started having to deal with the mommy in and out thing, because I mean it literally controls every aspect of your life, and like I was telling you before. But he's we're better now than what we were excuse me, 2 years ago. But he still has a lot of animosity towards me, which is understandable. Does that make sense? Like, but he's
Yeah.
not. He he doesn't want to. He doesn't want to be angry at me, but he has a right to be.
Yeah.
Get frustrated with me. So he's working on letting that out. But I mean, we have a pretty good relationship. Otherwise, he's still my heart and soul, and that's my everything. That is my miracle child.
Yeah. Definitely. Do you have any regrets or anything that you would have changed?
Um, well, I'm sure I would go back and change a lot of things, to be honest. But then I wouldn't be where I am now. So,
Crazy how that works, huh?
it is, it's nuts. So, uh, for myself, no, I don't. I don't have any. I'm glad that I went through the things that I went through, because it made me a better person. Uh, uh, it made me want to become better than what I thought I was gonna be. If that makes, like, I'm not at all bragging, but I'm, when I started going through this recovery and everything, it totally turned into something completely different. It wasn't just recovery anymore. It was growing as a person, and finally finding out who I am and where I belong, and what my heart and soul really is, and the kind of person and everything. But as far as regrets, the only thing I regret is the pain that I caused other people. I don't regret
Mhm.
what I did or what I went through myself, because, like I said, it's what built me. But I regret hurting, especially the ones that I never thought in a million years I'd hurt.
Yeah. I totally understand that.